Hey everybody, CJ from OcularCMS. Today I'm going to speak about content blocks for custom templates. To get to your custom template, you do need to be in advanced mode, so if you see a link that says switch to advanced mode, go ahead and click on that. Otherwise you are already in advanced mode. Once you're there, then just click on the Manage Site and then Site Design and Modify Custom Template. And that takes you to the custom template for the website. There are other demo videos demonstrating the various aspects of this page, as well as an overview video for everything. Specifically, I'm going to be talking about the content blocks, and the documentation is within here. I'm going to click on that, and right here, content block. What is a content block, and when would we use it? Well, let's just say that this is our very minimal template. Normally, obviously, there'd be lots of markup in here, divs and all sorts of good stuff. But this is the very basic as you can get, basically. Page content is where the bulk of your content is going to be for your websites, for your web pages, rather, for each and every page. But let's say that there's something that maybe you want in outside of that. Maybe it's going to be in the header that you want something. So perhaps next to the navigation links, maybe you want a section for content. Maybe an example might be a call to action, phone number. Maybe it's even a headline that's specific to a certain page, to each page. Regardless, since that falls outside of your page content, you need to create a new content block to house that content so that it can be edited within edit mode. You're certainly more than welcome to hard code your content in here, but obviously that's not the best experience. You probably want to be able to edit that content in edit mode rather than having to come in here every time to make changes. So if we want to create a global content block, we click on this link right here, create a new global content block. We give it a content ID, so for example, maybe call to action. And when we click OK, it's going to create a new content block in the system so that it can be used within your template. Once a block is created, you will be able to select it from the drop-down menu. So let's just choose one. We'll pretend that this is a call to action content block that we just created. And you'll see that it creates some markdown here, content block, and then the content ID that we gave it. And we simply copy it, and then we can paste it in wherever we need it to be within our template. That's great for global blocks of content, but what if there's something that we want to do for each and every page? We want that area to be in the same spot in every page, but we want the content within it to vary by page. Again, another example is maybe a title, a main huge title way up in the header that changes from page to page. In order to do that, we click on this other link, Get Markup for Page-Specific Content Blocks. And just like before, let's call it Page Headline. We're going to click OK. We're going to add in our content ID, click OK. And what it's going to do is it's going to create a snippet of markup that is similar to the one before. Let's look at it. I need to paste it, sorry. Similar to the one before, but in addition to content block and our page ID here, it has an underscore and then an asterisk. And what's going to happen is when that page is being served up, it's going to substitute dynamically, substitute in that page slug. So for the products page, it'll be that. For the About Us page, it'll be that, and so on. And what that means is when we're in edit mode, when we're on a specific page, we can edit the content, save it, then we can go to another page, edit content, save it, and all those different blocks of content will be unique to each page. Very nice feature to have, so you can create content blocks both on a global scale as well as on a page-specific scale. This is where you would do it. This is how you would do it. If you have any other questions, be sure to refer to the knowledge base or other demo videos. And that about does it for now, so see you next time.